Hello everyone, this is Preeti Kedari from Arihant College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Camp Pune. Today we are going to see the different logic gates. The agenda of my presentation is logic gates, important terms such as logic, truth table, Boolean equation, symbol, and different types of gates. So, we will go through the logic gates. The logic gate is an electronic circuit which has one or many inputs but only one output. So in the diagram you can see the logic gate is there which is having two inputs A and B and only one output Y. Logic gates can be constructed by using simple switches, relays, transistors or diodes. Now we will go through some important terms. First term is logic. It is the statement which gives condition for high output. It may be in terms of high or low, true or false, 1 or 0, etc. Now truth table. It is the table in which logic is expressed by taking all possible combinations of inputs and respective outputs. The number of possible combinations in a truth table is given by 2 raised to n. For example, if there are two inputs n is equal to 2, then 2 raised to n, which is equal to 2 raised to 2, 4 possible combinations are possible in the truth table. Boolean equation. It is the mathematical equation representing particular gate for input and output. Scientist Boolean invented a new kind of algebra, therefore it is known as Boolean algebra. In this, he proved that binary logic is valid for letters and symbols instead of words. Symbol. Each gate is represented by a logical symbol. Next topic is types of gates. There are total 6 types of gates which are classified as basic and derived gates. The basic gates are OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate, whereas derived gates are NAND gate, NOR gate and XOR gate. Derived gates. These gates are formed by basic gates with little modifications. Universal gates. NAND and NOR gates are called universal gates because it is possible to construct all other logic gates by using only NAND or only NOR gates. Now we'll go through our first gate, that is OR gate. The symbol is shown here. A and B are two inputs and Y is the output, and the Boolean equation for the OR gate is Y is equal to A plus B. Truth table, so you can see inputs and outputs are given. A and B are the inputs whereas Y is the output. So whenever both the inputs are 0, then only output is 0. If any one or both the inputs are high, then output is high. Next gate is AND gate. The symbol you can see in the presentation. A and B are the inputs, Y is the output, and the logical expression or the Boolean equation is Y is equal to A dot B. Here you can see the truth table. When both the inputs are high, then only output is high, otherwise output is low. NOT gate. It has only one input and one output, and the Boolean equation is Y is equal to A bar. So if the input is 0, output is 1, input is 1, output is 0. That means output is always complement of the given input. NAND gate. The symbol is shown here. A and B are the inputs, Y is the output, and the Boolean equation is Y is equal to A dot B bar. You can see in the truth table, when both the inputs are high, then only output is 0, otherwise output is high. It is the complement of the AND gate, not AND, that is NAND. Next is NOR gate. A and B are input and Y is the output. The Boolean equation is Y is equal to A plus B whole bar. You can go through the truth table. When both the inputs are 0, then only output is high. It is opposite to the OR gate, that is not or NOR. Now the last gate is XOR gate. The symbol is shown here. The Boolean equation is y is equal to a XOR b, and truth table you can see here. When both the inputs are 0, output is 0. Inputs are 0, 1, output is 1. Inputs are 1, 0, output is 1. And if a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, output is 0. That means we can say that if both the inputs are 0, output is 0, or both the inputs are 1, output is 0. That means in the XOR gate, for same inputs, output is always low, and for different inputs, output is always high or 1. So in this presentation, we have seen different types of gates. We have seen the difference between basic and derived gates. Thank you.